So you're literally taking somebody who was unsure about buying to 100%, yeah, I need to buy this because it's valuable and it's going to help me. Yeah.
They literally broke everything down that you could possibly need.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Yo, what's going on? It's Miguel, and I am very excited to bring this video to you because I am with two very good friends, very good business partners, Simon and Isaac. I call them the Cruise Brothers.
There you go.
Say what's up, bros.
What's up, guys?
All right. As you can see, they're twins. It's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I forgot which one's which.
Even now? Bro.
Isaac,
Yeah,
Simon.
okay.
Okay. I'm always like nervous that I'm gonna get it wrong. But all right. So as you can see from the title of this video, they're 18 now. They just had a birthday, but the title is not a lie. These two 17, 18-year-olds made 17 grand, right?
Yeah,
17 point what?
17,700 profit.
Right.
Yeah, that was the profit.
Awesome. How much was it gross? Just out of curiosity.
22 something. No. For the 3 months that are. No.
How long was the funnel in play?
It's done
2
down
months,
now.
right?
It did 20, like 0.5.
Yeah,
20 now or 20. It's gone a little bit over now, but we haven't been promoting it. That's why I said 22.
Okay.
But I'm not counting that. So it did 20.
20 in 2 months?
20 and 3, but a lot of, like, more than a half came from December.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So like 8 grand came in December?
It was like almost 12.
So like, 12 grand came in December. Okay, that's awesome.
Right.
That's really awesome. All right, so as you can see, there are no age limits on what sales funnels can possibly do. These two made 17 grand in just a couple of months, and they did exactly what I talk about in my videos. They found an influencer and they implemented themselves. So first question, I guess I'll just like bounce back and forth.
Yeah.
What even gave you guys the idea to find an influencer to do this sort of thing for?
Right. So I'd say in the beginning, we were kind of looking to start a SMMA, and instead of going the traditional local business route, we decided to work with more influencers and personal brands because it's higher ticket and we both kind of enjoy it more. So we just chose to go that route rather than the traditional, I guess.
So then you guys just so happen to have the idea to DM an influencer?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, that's awesome.
It was all his doing. He found him, offered it, and then literally right as we saw he had interest in getting help, I came to Miguel. I'm like, hey Miguel, I have this influencer, and you helped me because the audience was pretty large. Like his reach was pretty large, and he thought it was dope. And I saw Miguel offering mentoring, so I'm like, if I get this deal together, I can have Miguel help me do the whole product launch, and he'll get a percentage.
Yeah.
So that's the best way to get a client and learn anything you're new to. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How did you guys find me?
Hayden Bows.
Oh, so
Yeah,
you guys
Hayden.
watched Hayden videos?
Yeah,
and then
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so you guys had the idea, okay, cool, like we can help this influencer do this sort of thing. And then you guys just immediately, how did you guys get in contact with this influencer? How did you find them, and then how did you get in contact with them?
So the influencer that we worked with, I kind of knew them on social media beforehand, and I think I just decided to reach out to them because I saw something they were selling on their social media. So I reached out to this specific client on Instagram, just like cold DMing. It wasn't even a cold video, it was just straight DM. It was something like, hey, I saw you're selling this product. My brother and I do webinars and help sell courses. If you want help, let me know. So just like offering something.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So what was the process like learning how to do sales funnel from the ground up? Because like I wasn't that much in, I was more just like strategic help. So like how was it learning how to do sales funnels from the start?
Learning it was, there's a ton of information already on the internet. Like, if you want to learn how to do it, just read .com secrets. Or, .com secrets. Just go find any funnel you like the best, and if you can't do it for yourself, do it for an influencer. And if you can't get that client, this is what we did. Instead of people just not getting help, we leveraged Miguel's results with Clickfunnels, because obviously I had no screenshots of proof. I had nothing, and I'm like, but I'm going to be working on this product launch with funnel expert named Miguel, sales funnel god, and he just did X amount with Austin Dunham. I don't know if I can say it, but he did a video. It was like 40 grand with Austin Dunham.
It was 60.
60. Oh my bad. 60 grand. And like, that's much better than I'm brand new. I'm trying to start this. Do you want to do a free trial fuck that. Or do what I did.
Leverage
Work
somebody
with
else's,
Miguel or
basically.
yeah,
In the right way. Leverage somebody else's results in the right way.
yeah, and like don't do that if they're not gonna help you. I mean, you could, but it's more important to get the help from an expert so you can do it again and again and again, right? So leverage somebody else's results in the beginning, either like if you want to come to me in the future or like Miguel. Just do that and Miguel will hook you up because you gave me a super fair deal and you helped me for like 4 months and now we're tight.
Exactly. Like, we're fucking boys. Like,
We just had dinner.
like, no joke. I was just coming. I just so happened to be coming to their city for an event, and then I hit them up, and I was like, "Yo, buy tickets to this event so we can hang out." And then now we're here.
Bro, that's like something you see in another video.
yeah.
And somebody says that, and then you just said it.
True. So, okay, cool. You guys land the client. You guys are like, cool, let's get help from this random ass black guy on the internet.
Sales funnel guy.
The sales funnel guy.
Handle.
He's obviously the most humble person on the planet. What?
He's calling himself God. Fuck it.
All right, cool. Let's get help from this guy. Cool. So you get the client. You're like, all right, cool. Let's get help from this random black guy on the internet who's obviously the most humble person on the planet. Calls himself Sales Funnel God. Cool. How did you guys manage to convince me to work with you guys? Because a lot of people DM me, and I tell a lot of people just to go to my YouTube channel. But you guys, I was like, yo, let's just work together. How did you guys manage that?
I think the first thing, it has to be a good deal. So like where you also benefit. So like you get a piece, or just like it's a good client, so it'll work. And then, do you have anything?
Unless you really want to help somebody, you're not gonna help somebody if you're like helping a dude who has 10,000 followers. Like the client has 10,000 followers. Like
You still can, but
you could, but like if you want to do a deal with Miguel, like just make sure to come at it at a value standpoint because Miguel can spend a lot of time like explaining things to you and answering questions, which is like super helpful. So if you want to like hockey stick, like I learned that this week, if you want to hockey stick after working with you, it literally hockey sticked. So if you have a deal, if you can't leverage Miguel to help you with it, there's a lot of other people too, but or like me, if it's not worth, it might not be worth Miguel's time. It might be too busy, which is fine.
Just ask somebody.
Yeah.
Just doesn't
just
matter
get-
who it is.
yeah.
Just ask, because you might not think it's a good deal, but if you ask somebody, it could be a good deal.
Yeah. And if Miguel can't help you, 9 times out of 10, he's gonna refer you to somebody who can.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of people who come to me, and multiple times I've referred them to both of these guys. And their Instagram handles, even though they don't post on there, will be
Soon,
be below.
Or
Oh wait, you want to tag the at Isaac and Simon one?
Yeah.
That's like yeah, I'll give you. It's not my personal. It's the business one.
Okay,
it's right
cool.
here. Here for this video.
It's just moving around the screen.
Were you guys making money before this whole like sales funnel thing? Like any sort of money online?
I
was
like
trying to make
reselling.
money.
I was trying with e-commerce. I'm like, don't do that. Do
Yeah?
this instead.
Don't do
this.
that.
If you're deciding, don't do e-commerce. Do this instead. 100%.
Well, maybe, but
Don't go with the
but-
trends. Learn real marketing. Learn real marketing.
learn a service you can sell.
Yeah.
Sell a service. That's
Like-
the best thing to do.
Yeah, I like selling a service better. I don't want to sell crappy products from China, and I don't really want to make a brand at the moment. Like I don't want to make a physical brand, so selling services like this is good. Yeah, I like this the best.
Before this, we were like really trying to make money and like paying attention to internet marketing and like success and all that. But before this, no, not really anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were having a very like long conversation before this where our minds keep getting blown because we're just so surprised that no one else is taking the time to learn like actual like in-depth
effective.
like marketing.
We're at an event, and the guy who comes in is like one of the best marketers and is like explaining a really crazy funnel, and nobody's paying attention.
Yeah.
Like Jason Capital asked everybody, how many people in here are media buyers, like buying things on Facebook? Like at least when I saw like 3 people raise their hand.
5 people raised their
3 or
hands out of
5.
like 900 people on who's
Like-
buying ads.
Like take advantage, learn. I mean, a lot of
Just
people
wake up.
watching this video idea of marketing is very small. They probably don't know what like direct response marketing is. Learn that, and your mind's gonna be 10 times as blown. And then just learn from the greats. Don't learn from like low six-figure people selling webinars. That's like that's not the most effective marketing.
Yeah.
And if you're really into marketing, you'll see that the bigger people who are like 8-figure, 9-figure are 1,000 times more effective marketers and like 1,000 times smarter too.
Yeah. Just literally just go straight to the top. I would even go as far as to say skip my videos and go straight to Dan Kennedy.
Dude, actually, honestly, yeah. Because do you know how many people like just stick around on YouTube and like just got off watching like a challenge video and they're just like Facebook ads, I don't know what it is. Like you need to like get more in depth and like actually realize how wide and deep and like how hard, not hard, but like how specific everything is.
Yes. The whole point of this channel is for you to watch a few of the videos and then go take action, not to keep watching.
Yeah.
And I mean, a lot of people watching this probably aren't going to take action, one, because they're lazy, or two, because it's free on the internet and they don't pay for it. They're not going to be invested in it. They're not invested when they can watch it for free. Like, if you want to make money, we literally just gave you a 10K blueprint a month, like, or like at least 6-figure if you do it, like if you're smart, like, and you don't even have to be smart. You can just follow what Miguel did.
Yeah.
If you, like, that's what we did. He helped us. Yeah. Like I don't know what else to tell you.
So cool. They know that you make sales funnels. They know that you hit somebody up, big influencer, to do it. Sorry, they can't say the name. They're under an NDA, and it's too late at night to ask that person for permission. What was the process that you guys went through in order to actually like help that person make money?
So first thing was sign them and like make an agreement. That's a huge part. And then the second thing was like before we signed them, we had to ask them a bunch of questions, see what they needed, and then see if we can help him with it, and which is what we did. So the first thing was we had to like diagnose what he was selling. You can go more in depth in it if you want.
It was just somebody had a course, they weren't effectively selling it, so you come in, if you know how to use funnels effectively or know somebody who can, they can teach you how powerful funnels could be when you're trying to sell a product, instead of just being like, here, buy my product. What we did is they opted in, they took action, and then we gave them value.
Through a funnel.
We gave them value through a funnel, so we did a product launch. So there's videos on here about a product launch. So
basically it's just like funnel. It's like selling through a funnel. That's what we did.
You get emails to go. So it's like a 4-day funnel. You get emails to go day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Day 4 you sell something for, preferably a lot more money, like a high ticket course, because you're warming somebody up for 4 days. It's a lot. So that's what we did. So like first day you kill beliefs, second day you show them a little bit what they can do and what's possible, how much money you can make, or whatever benefit they get from a product. Day 3 it shows somebody how awesome their life would be with that product, and why they and then day 4 the offer. You've basically got rid of all the reasons they wouldn't buy, and then you give them an irresistible offer. So you're literally taking somebody who was unsure about buying to 100%. Yeah, I need to buy this because it's valuable and it's gonna help me. Yeah,
they literally broke everything down that you could possibly need. I don't think we could make it any more simple than that.
That wasn't fluff.
There you have it. They literally gave you everything. They'll let you know everything other than who their client is. They're 17 and they made 17 grand. That is not a joke. It's not a badly written story. It's literally just how much money they made. So you can obviously do this too with my videos, with whatever sort of course that may or may not be ready on this video. You can fucking do it too, or just hit me up and then I'll sell you some shit and then you'll be able to do it.
That's a good route too.
Any parting words, Akrush brothers?
Tips, I'd say read .com secrets and you'll probably be a lot smarter. And number 2, after this YouTube video, like shut your computer down and go do what we were talking about, because this won't help you if you don't do anything.
Yep.
1, literally take action if you're like somebody scrolling on YouTube, because I was that person probably a year ago. Yeah. I was still I would watch a lot of stuff and try to apply, but literally if you're watching YouTube, you're probably spending all of it and it's being wasted. 5 hours a day. Don't do that. 2, if you want to get a large client, leverage somebody else's results.
In the beginning,
learn how to do it.
Right.
Yeah, if it's right. If it's not right, I wouldn't recommend it, but you can do whatever you want. Another thing, don't be afraid to fuck up on your launch, or don't be afraid to be told no by a client. Literally the worst thing they could say is no.
A no's a good thing, because then you're closer to a yes.
Exactly. I don't know, get into marketing, and if you have shiny object syndrome, cut that shit out. And this is the honestly the best business model compared to drop shipping. And if you want a hockey stick, so I just learned that this weekend. So hockey stick is how do you even describe it? Exponential growth. Go around people who are doing what you want to do and see if you can pay them to help you, because sometimes they can't do it for free. But just be around those marketers, because coming to this event and seeing people that came up on stage, even you were like, wow, this is great information.
Amazing information.
Really good.
So worth it.
And I connected with you, I hung out with PB, and I potentially got 2 new clients, and got to meet up with a bunch of cool people. So
sounds really good.
Go around I'm kind of random, but go around the people who are doing what you want to do. Actually find a way to do it. If you have to do it through text messaging, do it. But if you can go to an event, do that too. But stick to one thing, and then you'll get better at it, and you can do things faster within scale and teach people the same thing you just did.
Isaac needs a YouTube channel.
I'm gonna do a YouTube channel. This is why I study this shit. Okay.
Prodigy.
How do you think I did a course launch? How do you think we did a course launch? We studied people's courses.
Hey, chill. There's people who do 10 million launches. Sit down.
Yeah, that's true actually, but.
All right, so I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. Definitely check out the Akrush brothers. They're going to be doing big things soon enough. They're obviously doing big things now. So if you stuck to the end, definitely fucking subscribe. Leave a comment below and ask any question, and then I'll make a video about it. Like this video, all that stuff. Thanks for watching again, and peace.